to-dos.
This is how to do the lizard pose. We're just gonna start all fours right now. We're gonna take our left foot and we're gonna bring it on the outside of our left hand here. Now keep your toes pointed at an angle, so towards the top corner of your mat. You don't want your foot to come off of your mat though. We wanna keep it a little bit tighter than that, so pinky just right on the edge there. Now you can scoot your back knee a little bit further, so you can really sink into the opposite side hip flexor. So since we're working on our left side, it'll be our right hip flexor that we're allowing to sink down. Keep your hips nice and square. So we don't want to open them up to the side. We're keeping them down so we can really feel that lengthening through the groin. Now, if this is enough for you, stay here. If you have your books or your blocks, you can take them and you can stack them and you can lower down to your elbows. Now the cool thing about the blocks and the books, you can always remove them as your muscles lengthen out. So our muscles, obviously when we hold stretches, they get a little bit longer. So as you're holding, you can take one block away. And then if that feels good, maybe you take both away and you're able to lower all the way down and not rounding through our back. So always keep your gaze forward and down, long, straight spine. And then to get out of this, you'll just push straight back up, and then you can just swing your leg back or move into whatever pose you're going into next.